The exclusive welcome reception for Consul General Binay S. Pradhan, hosted on July 17th at the luxurious Sky Restaurant and Bar within the Crown Plaza Hotel in Saddlebrook, New Jersey, was a glittering affair organized by World Vegan Vision in collaboration with Indo-American organizations of New Jersey and New York. Distinguished guests including founder H.K. Shah, Nitin Vyas, Kalindi Bakshi, Mike Desai, Abha Devrajan, and many prominent community leaders attended the event. The evening featured a mesmerizing performance by the renowned Sonali Vyas Jani Dance Company and inspiring speeches, including a notable address by Consul General Pradhan. The celebration also commemorated India's T20 World Cup triumph, making the night unforgettable for all attendees. Take a look.
ये निगाहें नश्तर, ये होठ कौसर, मेरी आगोश में होश भी बेहोश होगा। मन चला है, खूबसूरत है, मगर लड़का है तू। तुझे लड़कों और मर्दों में फर्क कौन समझाए?
कदरदान मेहरबान दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि अब आपके सामने तशरीफ ला रही हैं आगरा की अजीम।
This is Binay Pradhan, Consul General of India in New York. Today I joined the World Vegan Vision to meet and greet the leaders of Indian community and to also listen about the whole vision of vegan, and also met quite a few friends who practice it for many years now. Of course, we all know the benefits of being vegan, but I also would say that it's a difficult practice. But today it was really a heartening moment to see many people, including the founder, Mr. H.K. Shah, who has been following it all his life, and people who are actually promoting it in this part of the United States.
My name is Piyush Patel. We are here to celebrate the veganism. Veganism is started by H.K. Shah. He is a pioneer. Being a vegan is not that easy, but can also be simple. Vegan doesn't use cow milk. Cow milk, similar substitute vegan has it. Today, Consulate General is also coming here as the chief guest, and also we are celebrating the victory of cricket match as well.
Good evening, this is Bharat Rana. I'm a president of FISANA. FISANA is a federation of Indo-American Senior Association of North America. We are almost more than 14,000 members. Piyush is our vice chairman. Today's event is by the vegan organization, and as you see, it is a welcome reception of T20 World Cup winning ceremony by the Indian team. So we have almost more than 150 people over here. We are gathered to celebrate a victory of the T20. We have so many other organizations, their leaders and other community leaders all are here to celebrate, to part of this, the vegan Indian American community got together to celebrate. We are thankful to ITV for the covering, and also the Sudhir Bhai Parikh, the worldwide media for publication. Thank you very much. Thank you again, HK Shah and Nitin Vyas.
My name is H.K. Shah. I'm the founder of this group, World Vegan Vision, and I am also the chairman. We are completing 32 years this year, and today we are welcoming our new Consul General, Mr. Pradhan, and that's why we have invited few hundred people today. We also want to make our World Vegan Vision known to several associations. We have today about 7 associations from New York and New Jersey, and they are all into the vegan development thing. Thank you.
I'm Uma Swaminathan. I'm the Vice President for the Association of Indians in America, National. And I'm here today to welcome the CG, the new CG, Mr. Pradhan. And it's such a great pleasure to be here along with so many other groups, Indian groups. So, you know, the interesting thing is it creates a synergy where when different groups, the Indian groups, meet together, they form a union, and that union is so important for the development of our society in the United States. So I'm really very glad that we're all here together, different organizations, and along with the Association of Indians in America, which I belong to.